So with safe isolation, we need to ask for permission as our first step. So you need to find the relevant person, ask them for permission to isolate the circuit you're working on. I've already obtained permission, so I'm going to go to the localized circuit breaker, which in this case is the miniature circuit breaker for the two-way lighting circuit. I can now turn this off, take my lock-off device and put it into the prongs on either side of the MCB. Take my padlock and put that through here and lock it off. Remove the key and put the key in my pocket. I'm now fairly happy that nobody can turn that on or off. So now I have my points of working. I'm going to be working in the light, so this is the point I need to prove dead. So if I take my screwdriver, I just take the lid off this. I can now take my voltage indicator and prove that it works in my proving unit. And I can see that it works from the indicator. And now I need to go between all three of these conductors. So I've got a line, I've got a neutral, and I've got a CPC. So if I start on the CPC, I can go to the neutral terminal, which is up here, but because of the way this is built, it's got wagos, so there's holes in the top of here that I can reach. So I'm currently CPC to neutral, and while I'm doing this, I need to operate the switches. In a two-way or an intermediate configuration, you always need to operate the switches in this order. So 1, 2, 1, 2, while you're doing the tests. So it might be you do 1, check again, 2, check again, 3, and 4. We'll then move on to the next conductor sequence, which is CPC to line. And we go 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we can do our line neutral. In this case, I'm able to hold on to both of them. So on the switches, I can go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that I've checked all of these conductors, I can check that my voltage indicator is correct in the proving unit up to the voltage, and I'm now happy that I have completed safe isolation on this circuit.